Hello everyone. Well, I'm kind of sick, so I have nothing to do, nothing that is productive, sort of, because it requires some mental effort. So I thought let's make some pretty useless videos, such as going over my Obsidian workflow and how I use Obsidian. And I'm pretty sure no one cares, but just for you know, documentation purposes. So I'll just go with you through. Uh, that's cool. I'll go with you through each step, how I start Obsidian and how I use it. I pretty much use Obsidian for everything. So yeah. Um, First thing, I need to get Obsidian. This here. Shit. This custom loading I have. This is just a stupid warning. So when I launch Obsidian, the warning that you just saw is because I have this plugin that disables all the plugins on startup so that when I start Obsidian, it doesn't take long, you know, if that makes sense. It just makes startup time faster. And when I launch Obsidian, the first thing I have here is a note with today's date. So you can set up a daily note, right? Um, in the daily note, you can, put your tasks, your whatever. But I pretty much use it only for journaling. Uh, I call it a nails journal because that's cool. Um, it's an anime reference to that's not important anyway. And other than that, I also have other than this like daily note, I have this thing called journey inside me. The name is supposed to be funny, kind of. It's basically like it's a sort of a book where I have monologues with myself. Ask myself questions and get to know myself better. It's pretty useful, I think. Um, you know, as some wise guy once said, an examined life is worth living, or an examined life is not worth living. Something like along the lines. So anyway, so how I use this data note. Well, I have here press Control 3 if you do handwrite. There's supposed to be something here, but I kind of forgot to edit it. And when you press Control 3, you get this writing space, and I have my drawing tablet, so I can just do some branded uh, stuff here. Yeah. Then I just yap and 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 yap. And I don't do that. And I don't do this every day because I only do it when I have something to do. I see a lot of people, uh, say that you should journal daily, but I don't think you need to do that daily. Just whenever you feel like it. Some days I don't have any interesting things to put in the journal, so I just kind of ignore it. And we're past midnight now, so uh, it counts as a new day. So I've not written anything yet, and I will probably not do that for the next 20 hours or so. So yeah, that's for my daily notes, which is journaled. I have some, you know, some gifts here, some cool gifts for motivation purposes or inspiration. I don't know. So now that I'm done with the daily note. Let me just cancel it here. Here you see the I forgot what it's called. Let me quickly. Oh, ribbon. It's called ribbon. Yeah, I just remembered. For the ribbon. Uh, Whereas you can see icons here, and these icons are supposed to be sort of like shortcuts for some of the plugins I have. And I'm talking about a lot of a lot about plugins, and you know, you probably, if you've never used Obsidian before, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm just kind of yapping at this point. There is no structure in this video. But yeah, so when you press this sidebar, you see all the files you have here. Um, I have a sort of like certain workflow that I'm trying to use. So suppose I try to make a new node, right? Let's just YouTube video, yeah, right now. Um, and so you can see here, it gets saved in this directory, fleeting thoughts. Um, and what is fleeting thoughts? It's basically, um, I don't know where to put the note exactly, right? So I don't want to think too much about where to put the note, so I just put it anywhere. And then after some time, I'll eventually like sort it and put it somewhere organized. But if you can see here, I have a lot of fleeting thoughts, and I'm kind of procrastinating at this point. I'll do that at some point. But yeah, so here, this is nothing important. This is just for the drawing thing. Visual lifestyle workflow. So what do we have here? So this application empty, explanation empty, reflection iteration. Nothing interesting here. I just schedule that I tried to do, but I failed at sticking to a schedule. So we have row here, and I'm in this stage, like stage one of how I plan to use Obsidian in the long term. So row here we have healthy minds, and it's just um, uh, some screenshots that I take from healthy minds, some healthy facts, healthy facts. That's funny. And journals. This is where I put my journals. For example, the journal for yesterday, which I wrote like a few hours ago, and it's here. And I'm not going to show that. uh, and then we have memorization. What do I have here? Some empty notes. Animals. I think here I was trying to, important, just I was trying to create some ways so you can memorize things better. Associate letters and stuff with animals. But yeah, nothing important really. Um, Hair. Why do I have hair here? So just I'm not gonna get for too much. Um, so protective techniques. Here I have the healthy minds thing. Again, duplicated. Good point. A good thing to remove it now. Um, like my routine checkup at this point. So djourn. I don't know why it's called like that, but it's a template that the daily note uses to make the new notes, right? The new notes are made automatically. So if I do anything here, then the daily note, actually I'll show you. Let's go to core plugins. I think it's here. Daily note, right? And this is, new file location. Where's my new file gonna be? It's gonna be in better lifestyle workflow, row journals. And the template that I use is gonna be protective techniques and djourn. I have this open daily note and startup uh, turned on, which is what I showed you earlier. Um, and here's some interesting stuff. I'm not gonna get into that. I don't have anything here. Routines here, some exercise stuff. I just this is ancient, but yeah. After viewing, after watching Solo Leveling, I was determined to make a sort of emulation of the system that they use. But it's safe to say that I did not stick to it. Right? I saw it too complicated. I don't want to worry too much. But yeah, it's basically like for every task I do, I get some points. But maybe someone can benefit from gamified stuff better than me. YouTube here, uh, I just um I just when I watch a YouTube video, I get it summarized using AI, and then uh, save it here for reference. I don't know what is happening here. Oh, yeah, but it's just testing some stuff currently here. This is a heading. This is another heading that's smaller. I was testing the oops, the markdown. I guess this must be ancient, really ancient actually. Um, so yeah, I don't use this much, or maybe I do. I don't know. Reflection, iteration, so schedule. I don't know if it's working or if I can see it. Yeah, there's supposed to be some. Maybe I get it from the right side bar, like in all interactive. Okay, never mind. Like, this is taking so long. God, I did not plan this to be this long. Well, whatever. Something with the better life workflow for now, or at least the row section of it, or the row subfolder of it. So what I plan to do, because it's called the workflow, right? So when I'm done with row, I'll then go to application and try to apply all these stuff that I gather from here. For example, these a lot of screenshots here. I'm gonna try to make some tangible changes in my lifestyle using all the stuff that I was learning about. So yeah, I think I'm done with this. Cooking it. Sorry, that's empty because I migrated a creative to workflow. Um, same kind of structure as above. I have brainstorming here, my frustration novel. So I was like frustrated with life and how things are in this world. So I got an idea, story or whatever. Yeah, you see, I'm very creative at naming files. And what the hell? Okay. Um, I guess I was trying to think of some ideas for characters. I guess. Yeah. Project NW, which is an abbreviation for novel writing. See, that's the comment. Sorry, it's a lot of stuff, right? Poetry, practice, resources, developing English words. Here I have like an insane amount of words. You know, I used to generate the meanings of words using AI, right? I had this plugin where if I press Control and insert, it, yeah, I don't have the template because I think I deleted it. But yeah, there would be a template here that prompts an AI to summarize a video, not a video, sorry, a word, and its meaning. What am I yapping about? So yeah, these are all words. Actually, let me see if I can have this here. Uh, actually, like all these words, or most of them that are here, I migrated them to Anki using a very cool plugin. Oops. Where am I? So the plugin that I used was anti-sync plus, which I see here syncs all my boards or most of them in a certain subfolder, right? It has to be, you know, uh, within a subfolder, not like you can have subfolders. You can gather all the nodes within subfolders, if that makes sense. Uh, so yeah, and this plugin is really cool. I synced all the nodes from here in this style, right? Or most of them at least. I got them here. You know what? Since I did Anki actually, which one was it? It was default. It was this. Let me see if I still have it. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Riskless. I don't know, man. I forgot. Yeah, yeah. And then you press again. Perch. It's a place where you sit and lie in. Yeah. Yes. I'm just yapping. But yeah. Don't want to get into Anki now. Maybe it's for a different video. But yeah. So I think we're done with this. Uh, it's the same thing here. For example, for my mm, writings, I want to get them here for the example in creative gaps where I can just, find some plot holes, some gaps, some shit, analyze them. Um, Gathering and simplification, I actually don't know what's that for. I'll try to remember. But it's probably something, maybe trying to find what all my writings drop out and try to simplify them. That makes sense. The deeper meaning of them. Hmm. Export. That's kind of empty. What is here? Okay, that's some util stuff. Garbage. It is some garbage stuff. All the drawings, all the archive here, things that I post in the blog. Project RB. Yeah, homeworks. Why do I have homework? I think I was trying to explain Obsidian for someone here. Learning workflow. This is really my favorite part of this whole thing. So same as above. So I'm using the Feynman technique here. Our run notes. Here we have all this stuff that I take notes for, whether manually or by an AI. So linear algebra, adding and subtracting matrices. Right. Okay. Um. Yeah. And here I also have taken notes here with the handwriting plugin. So yeah, I also supposed to create a folder for each of these things that I've taken notes for in the knowledge gaps, right? Was it simplification? Yeah, I think you simplify things first. Yeah, I think you simplify things first. All the thing, try to teach them, and then from there you spot any gaps by teaching, right? And that's what exactly I'm trying to do in this on this channel. Find gaps in my knowledge and simplify things and then find knowledge gaps and oops, that's the Anki thing that is me. I'm just gonna exit Anki. Uh, so yeah, I think I'm done with this now. We have mocks or OCs or whatever you want to call them. Uh, Maps of content is called, I think. But actually, what does MOC mean? And let's see, meaning. Uh, okay, search is really dumb, but yeah, it's something like mouth content, I think, or mouse content. Mouth content makes more sense. But yeah, here I don't know if it's still functional because it's been a while since I checked this. As you can see here, so reading tracker, it's something that I actually stole from someone. It's basically like a library or something, where all these things that I'm reading, and uh, I don't update it much, but yeah, I don't know, it's stuck here. That must be because of the thing. And here, books, that's empty. Writing, uh, so for example, here I have map content for all of my, you know, uh, all of the notes that I have for this, for example, for this book that I'm writing that I could named, I guess, my diaries. It's just like all the resources that I've written. Um, and then here I have resources for improving my writing, right? And then more building, uh, right? So the same thing here for philosophy, um, and math content for philosophy. The way this thing is built, for example, let's take a look at memes. You see there's a little, actually, I'm gonna change this to the original. Uh, yeah, this is my original theme. I like this more, but yeah. So you can see the backlinks more clearly now. So you see it has a link, right? A hyperlink to philosophy, right? Philosophy is empty right now. There's nothing in it. There is actually, never mind, I'm done. It could have been. It doesn't necessarily have to be philosophy here. It could be just anything. I'm just yapping at this point. But yeah. So for example, list from philosophy. So this is like a kind of SQL syntax. You take all, uh, you list all the stuff that uh, have a philosophy link in them, right? So it does not have to be uh, exactly like the philosophy thing, but yeah. Archive, uh, that's empty, I guess. No, never mind. Yeah, here I have all, my exams, my past uh, courses, I guess. There's nothing confidential here. Mask, uh, things that I could not categorize. Um, a bunch of shit, right? This is, for my own learning purposes. Some learning resources for myself. Uh, just understood rating, uh, FPS here, and I was trying to be a tryhard. How old is this? Not so old actually, but yeah. Project GKPH. This is some bullshit. This is just duplicated. I don't wanna delete it because I'm scared. Reading. So reading. This is the cool thing that I have here. So you see this here thing in the ribbon here. I have this thing. So if I click on it, I can search for a book, right? What kind of book do I want? Um, so, I don't know. My brain is closed. I will just write anything. Um, this is just like very random. I have no interest in monkey books, but I don't know. So I got saved here, right? And then when we go back to the reading tracker, um, to put this in reading. So you see here in the top right, if you click here, you can edit things, and if you click here, you can't edit things because they're in reading mode. Oh, actually, I forgot something. So here I have to put the front matter tag. This is status, right? To read, right? Because the way that the reading tracker works is it's also like a SQL syntax kind of like that. So it checks for things that have front matter is status and to read, right? Um, yeah, that's a little cool thing. Resources workflow. So basically here, everything that I find in the web, I just save, right? It's kind of loading because there's 77 resources that I've saved. Jesus, my PC is getting cooked. Okay. Uh, so basically here, all the stuff, and when you click on something, you get the link to it. For example, if I click on this, hopefully I'm not doing anything. So yeah, so the way this thing works, I actually have like sort of you know semi-automated thing for it. Um, Actually, let me take that exact link here because if I here, right? So I have a lot of extensions here, but um, this one, links tower or whatever it's or however it's pronounced, and then you save the link through some magic that I'm not gonna get into now. You can add some notes. It gets saved here. I have to restart or I have to find the thing that is here. Right. Okay, if click here and the sync, get a sync, and you'll have the link. I think I almost like not get the link because it's identical to one I already have, but maybe because of I added an optional note, maybe it gets saved. Let's see. Yeah, it got saved because I put an additional note. But usually, uh if you're just like trying to save a link twice, it just doesn't work usually. But this thing could just added the an optional note here. There's a difference, and it got created. Yeah, this is cool. Here are things I plan to do. This is thing that I'm supposed to check soon. This is kind of outdated. I don't use all the stuff all the time. Um, Lines and stuff. I think this is almost done. But I want to show one final thing that I'm recently doing. I think that is very cool. Oh my god, this is an insane amount of dogs in here. You know, want to see this video? So say I want to watch some video. Uh, so for example, this video. Um, and then I press on media node, right? This is a JavaScript um, bookmarklet, I think it's called. So when you click on it, the video opens here, and then
master and remember new concepts, ideas, information, and all sorts of theories.
I
I earned 3
usually
master's
hide these
degrees, one in
sidebars as
theological
sphere,
studies, one in systematic
and then
theology, and one in the
oh, that was
philosophy
so
of
cool.
religion. Lots of abstruse,
Also
metaphysical
at the
theorizing, lots of really
bottom
weird
right, I
words,
have this
obscure
thing
last
that
names,
counts
and crazy,
um,
crazy theories. But over the course of my
my
graduate studies, I learned
course.
a couple
But
different
it's
tips
a
and
new
tricks
day, so
to help me
this is
learn new
like the
concepts and master them, and how to
first
store
few words that I
information so
just
that I can
wrote
continue to
or
keep
typed.
what I've already learned. Now, I also recently
Uh,
read Cal
today.
Newport's How to Become a
I
Straight A
guess
Student, and I
1
found
a.m.
that he
later,
uses some of the
whatever.
same tools that I
Um,
used to be successful in graduate school.
okay, I should have done. Okay, sorry. I did not mean to be mean to you. So I think I'm done. I don't think I've forgot anything crucial. I don't know if I want to get into all these things here. Did we? It's just basically plugins and um. Oh, I forgot about something. Let me go to fleeting thoughts. I want something. Uh, no, what the hell? Um, what's here? Okay, that's an empty PDF. I guess I was just trying to cook something here. Uh, what am I doing? I'm not cooking. I'm supposed to edit this somehow. Um, whatever. I don't care. That's not what I really want. Let me sort. Wait, sort it right now. I want creation time. Okay, I have a lot of PDFs. Hopefully, one of them is not empty. Hopefully. Oh my god, all of them are empty. What the hell am I doing? But yeah, as you can see here, I can edit PDFs here. Editing, bro, it's actually rude. Oh, I think I have to press a button. What was it? Control 4? Control 8? Control 6? Control 1? This creates a new page, though. It does not. It has to be Control 8, Control 9. No? Wait, maybe Control 1. I'm kind of confused now. Yeah, this just adds a page. Let me quickly. I'm kind of wasting your time. I mean, probably no one's watching. So I'm just gonna yap. So you want, like I meant, what's the blank called? PDF plus plus. Okay. Oh my god, why is it so laggy? Jesus Christ, oh my god. Hey, something. Oh wait, it's here. Okay. Um. Oh wait, I'm dumb. This is not how you check the shortcuts. It's here. You click on this here, and you see the hotkeys, right? So enable video. See, it was Control 8. I told you. You don't trust me. It is weird. Like really weird. Why is it? I can't do anything. Okay, whatever. I just wanna. I just want that specific PDF. Man, dude. Oh my god, I gotta sleep, man. It's all videos, man. What the hell, man? Dude, I swear I. Maybe it's not here. Wait, let me see this one. Also, when you have latex, whatever it's called, uh, I have this also plugin with the dollar sign. If you press it, because you know, most of the lyrics I take is from ChatGPT, and it's not formatted in the way Obsidian likes it. Uh, so this thing, formats it using regular expressions, formats it properly, and we see we got the latex properly. Uh, wait, maybe maybe that's it's not a PDF. This is not a PDF. I don't know. Maybe that. Okay, maybe it's here. Binary guidance. Nope. Oh, this is the video I made. Dude, starting to lose it actually. Where did all the PDFs go, man? This is not okay. Why do I have this shit? Okay, wait. I'm not gonna give up. Okay, this really annoyed me. I just find this thing and then today. Oh my god. Dude. Ain't no way. I'm getting cooked. It's in the world. I've been recording for like an hour, I think, right? I've lost my sense of time. Not an hour actually. I think it's around 30, 37 minutes if I were to guess. Uh, guess I'll sleep now. I'm gonna eat. What are we doing? Right now I only have like 2 neurons and they're not functioning at all. It's so much settings, dude. Can I at least search? I cannot search, dude. This not. Can I just manually search for? Actually, I don't want to go there. Oh my god. I'm gonna reveal a bit insane amount about myself if I open my file explorer. Yeah. Oh my god, this is bad. It's a very tough situation. Yeah. Not here. Garbage. Yeah, it could be in garbage. Not here. I cannot be in garbage. Export. Dude, I'm actually getting mad. This is very annoying. Dude, where did all the PDFs go? Surely they're not in these videos. Yeah, they're not. Maybe here. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Okay. So the thing is, if you, uh, I think you just open it in a new tab, right? I'm sorry for the very. I think I'm running out of disk space. That's why it's kind of lagging. So hopefully it's working now. Yeah, I can roll and boom boom. I'm into deep learning. Okay. And it's laggy because reinforcement learning. Oh my god, that's so cool. Wow. Let me take a note. I think if you do this, okay, I actually need to end the recording because the PC is getting cooked. Oh my god, it's not even. If you do that, this is getting cooked. Yeah, so it copies something, and then when you go back to here, uh, it's so laggy. Dude, so much stuff in here. Dude, that's enough. When you press Control V, uh-huh. Excuse me. Okay, we're running into technical issues. Oh, never mind. I think it was loading. Yeah, it takes a screenshot of the thing. And you can just, yeah, plug it here. Oh my god, so green. Yippee! And then when you, it also gives a backlink to it. So when you click on it, you go to this page. Anyway, that's it. Bye. Do we end?